Today, I will tell you how the instant built-in messenger works on the mobile version of the private Guide World platform and in mobile applications for smartphones. First, let's discover how a tourist can send a generic request on the smartphone's mobile browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge, Opera, DuckDuckGo, or Brave. Start by entering the website address www.pgworld, just like you always do on your computer. Next, type the name of your destination city, let's say Rio, in the search field and press the Go button. A complete list of all local tour guides in Rio will appear. This list could be quite extensive, and if you don't have time to explore the tour guides' profiles one by one, there's a solution for you. Scroll back to the beginning of the list and send a generic request to all tour guides in Rio who speak your language by pressing the green Send button. Now, choose the language you speak from the drop-down menu and start typing your request. If you've saved contact details in your profile in advance, you can share them in the body of the request and continue your communication with tour guides outside of the platform. Otherwise, all tour guides' replies will come to your profile on the private Guide World platform, and will send you a notification each time you receive a message in our built-in messenger. Once the message is sent correctly, you'll see a confirmation on the next screen. It is easy, right? And now, I will tell you about some additional functions that are convenient to use in the messenger. In any of your chat messages, you can share your contacts, such as your phone number, email address, and Skype nickname. This function is active if you have previously saved your contact details in the profile. You can edit your contacts anytime by following these simple steps. Open your profile. We continue using the mobile version of the platform in the browser on the phone. Go to the Edit section. Enter one or more phone numbers, indicating which country they belong to. The international dialing code will appear automatically. Add your Skype nickname and any number of email addresses. Press the Save button at the end to update the data. Now, when writing a message, you just need to click on the paperclip icon and select the contact information that you would like to share. We also recommend that you check the status of your subscription to news from our platform and notifications about any actions taken on your profile. To do this, go to the Settings section. The status here will tell you whether or not you are subscribed to our alerts. If you have any questions about using instant messengers on the private Guide World platform, please get in touch with our support team by email support@pgworld or on social networks. In the following video, I will tell you how to send a personal message to a chosen tour guide.